No, how dare you lay your filthy hands on me?
Come here, okay? I'm talking to
anything.
Bonsack.
Yeah, 2,000 naira.
Bro, stop that play. Which one is 2,000?
I see no reason a classy girl like my type should be seen around this environment. Talk more of a face me, I face you.
Where is the money you promised to pay since last week? But I've told you I'll pay now.
I said that your landlord make you come out. The only thing we go make today is stew as they talk am. It is when you give me that 6 months rent where you dey work with me.
You came back from prison for that rape case. You have been doing anyhow.
Look at him, forming fine boy. Every time $1 and one shirt.
Boss, now you are the respect.
We will lie up to against you.
Everybody for this compound knows that Chike dey fond of to dey carry strange faces. They come this compound.
Water where Agnes go take wash one part of him body, Chris go take and bath 3 times. For house why they pay rent.
I get single bone, I go beat you. If you get single bone, I know what I make I see you. Then leave me come. You have not come where you came. I would have beaten that girl to death.
And you'd have gone to prison.
Sorry, sir.
I am meeting my Instagram goddess.
Of course.
Somebody can be poor today and rich tomorrow. That's life.
Can you imagine?
You should say this one get manhood so.
Wait till concern you with my manhood. Then check where your own manhood long past my own.
I got Boga $1,000.
Nkechi popcorn before you came. I would like to go back.
My sales girl is inside my shop.
This is where I sleep every night.